day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Gemaline G. Fuego, 34 years old, married but no child yet. I have two siblings, one brother, one sister. I am the youngest siblings in the family, and I am from the Philippines. I finished my high school grad.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience here in the Philippines is I work as a service crew. I am responsible for delivering excellent customer service, taking orders, and processing payments in McDonald's. I maintain cleanliness, prepare food or beverage, and ensure a positive guest experience. I also work as an all-around housemaid. Here in the Philippines, I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 child, aged 3 years old. I take care the child. I give her a bath. I maintain cleanliness of the house like mopping, vacuuming, and segregate the garbage.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire or choose me. I am a hardworking, responsible, honest, and can work without supervision. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay.